always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go over this unboxing that I have for week 6, I think it is, with the Wheaties collaboration. I did manage to get 3 items, so I'm gonna go ahead and open those for you guys in this video. I also have a Grail pair of Jordans that I picked up not too long ago, and I did want to show you guys so I could go ahead and put them in my crates. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. You already know, man. Subscribe to the channel down below. It definitely does mean a lot when you guys go ahead and show love. We're like 170 subscribers away from 18,000, and once we get to 20,000, we are gonna do a big giveaway with either a pair of sneakers or a Supreme box logo. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe. The sub count has been right here the whole time. Go ahead and just change that for me. Like, what are you doing, bro? Just subscribe down below. There's literally over half of you guys that watch the channel and aren't subscribed. It makes no sense, like, at all. So go ahead and subscribe. It definitely does mean a lot. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So this video is gonna be on the shorter side. I'm not really gonna do too much, speak too much. It's gonna be a pretty much quick video just showing you guys my latest pickups. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with this box right here. I did already cut it for video purposes. Open this up and you already see what I got. I got the Wheaties up in here. I might go ahead and switch to the Travis Scott cereal. I haven't decided yet, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You got the Supreme box logo on the Wheaties. I actually feel like this was a pretty solid collab. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You have the Wheaties on the side, Wheaties on the front, and I'm not gonna open these, to be honest, because I don't really even eat Wheaties. You also do have another Supreme box logo on the side. It says the Breakfast of Champions. These do expire December 2021, so I'm guessing that they had these made for a little while now. I'm not gonna lie. Normally cereal expires in like a year or so, so these been done for a minute. They ain't even give us the family size, but it is what it is. If I could buy the purple box, I probably will. I don't know what's going on with Supreme, but I'm having trouble checking out. We also did get a sticker, and this isn't just any sticker. We got the vote sticker. I don't know where they got these from, but this is from last season. They ain't even give me no week 1 stickers or nothing, and that's pretty much it for this box. We got this last package right here. We got the box cutter with the Supreme branding on the front. Obviously it does have a blade in there. You got the Supreme branding on this. I don't know if I'm gonna be opening it just yet. I do have an FTP box cutter. Now I have the Supreme one as well. Honestly, I'm digging the FTP one a little bit more, but this is more manageable, so I might end up using this. I don't know yet. This is pretty solid though. I got the FTP and the Supreme one. I'm probably just gonna end up hanging this somewhere. If I ever do open it, I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. I just don't want to break the packaging or anything like that. But second up, we had the Supreme box cutter. I just wanted to show y'all the FTP one too, because they did kill it. Next up, we got this package, and I kind of did open this one already. It is what it is. This one came with 2 box logo stickers. In this one, we do have the regular box logos. And as you guys saw in the live cop, I did manage to get the Wheaties tee in the purple and white colorway. Honestly, this is my favorite color, but this isn't even in my size, so I'm not even gonna open it. This is probably gonna get sold or something. You got that box logo on the front. I might end up picking this shirt up for myself. I don't really have any Supreme white tees, and I feel like this one is a pretty solid one. You have that box logo on the front. It gives me like vintage Supreme vibes for some reason. It says Wheaties spelled out on the top. Then you got the BOGO on like this purple camo. This one is a size medium. I'm gonna give you a close-up right there. Wheaties Supreme BOGO on it. This is the white color in a medium. Clean pickup. I feel like down the line, this is gonna be worth some type of money. Now you could get them for low, and down the line, this is gonna be worth something. Got that box logo on it, non-tampered. We haven't gotten a non-tampered BOGO in a minute, in my opinion. This one's pretty solid. Clean pickup for sure. This is just gonna go in the vault. My Supreme tee collection is looking bigger and bigger every day and overwhelming every day. And that's pretty much it for the Supreme side of things. I got the Wheaties tee and the Wheaties box of cereal. I also did manage to get the box cutter. Clean pickups for sure. Last up, we got this big box, which is probably my favorite pickup in this video. I was telling y'all that I picked up one of my Jordan Grails. It's not expensive or nothing like that. It's just one of my favorite Jordans that I've released in a long time. And I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all real quick. As you can see, this is gray and black box era. If you know Jordans, you know that this is probably the best box era for Jordans. Throw the box to the side real quick. Size tag right there. I'm not gonna show y'all too long. Open this up and I got some bangers in here. These are probably one of my favorite, if not my favorite pair of Jordans 6s. Top 5 Jordans for me. These are the Varsity Red Jordan 6. These aren't the infrareds. No, these aren't the 2014, 2019, or 2020, whatever they did with that. This is not that. These are the actual red. I remember these releasing when I was younger, bro. bro, and I couldn't get them because they were sold out in my size. So I had to settle for the Lakers 6s. I always remembered wanting these back, and I finally was able to get them for like $120, bro. These are in solid ass condition for that price. Normally you find these with paint chipping and all that kind of shit, but these are solid for the price that I got them for, dude. These are clean, definitely. These don't even have the Nike Air on the back, but I'm not even like pressed for it. I don't really care if it comes with it or not. I just love the colorway on this. Like the red that they use for this pair of sneakers is A1. The Jordan 6 infrared is already one of my favorite pair of sneakers, but this specific iteration of it is definitely my favorite. I love these right here, and if I can buy these DS in the future, I definitely will. Let me know what y'all think. Do you guys like the Nike Air on the new infrareds with the color that came on it, or these Varsity red Jordan 6s? Personally, I'd go with these every time. The suede on these is like a brushable suede. I remember when they dropped the pack, they had these, they had the Lakers, they had the Oreos. That was like a year that they dropped hella 6s. I managed to get the Lakers 6s. I bought those like 2 to 3 times by now. I'm still looking for them low-key. These right here, bro, these are the ones. Like, these are the ones Kanye had on. These are the ones, bro. Definitely. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. Probably my favorite sneaker pickup in a minute. I love the hype shit. That's all cool and dandy and shit, but this right here does it for me. For $130, come on, bro. You just cannot go wrong. Let me know what y'all think. Should I even ice these at the bottom, or should I leave them a little bit yellowed how they are? If I could pick up another pair, it would be the Lakers 6s. Soon come, bro. Soon come. I will find those. I'm probably gonna make a video on my sneaker wish list. It's not gonna be like sneakers that release now or are releasing. It's gonna be like old grails or just sneakers that I love and miss a lot. I'm probably gonna make that video coming soon. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, I know it was a short one. Leave a like on it down below. Subscribe down below if you would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And don't forget to subscribe, bro. The sub count is right here, bro. Just go ahead and affect somebody's life today for the price of $3.99. Literally over 50% of y'all aren't subscribed and watch the videos. It don't make no sense. Just subscribe, bro. It's so easy, like simple. Just hit the red button, turn that bitch gray, whatever color. If you have Android, we accept you here too. But with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, now I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.